Hey you guys, on today's video, I will be teaching you how to make shrimp and grits. So I made this meal for brunch. It is a perfect brunch meal. First thing you will need is bacon. You need a full pack. You're gonna slice your bacon into pieces and place it in your pan. So while your bacon is in the pan frying, you're going to get any type of sausage you like, your favorite. I recently came upon these chicken sausage. I got them from BJ's and they're really amazing. So you're going to get these and slice them up. I used about 3 and sliced them. Now you're going to check back on your bacon. When it starts to look like this, that means it's almost done. So you can get ready to take it out in about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it's done, you're going to take it out of the pan and you're going to place it like in a bowl or a plate, but make sure you have napkins down to drain all the fat from the bacon. Now you're going to place the cut up sausage that you cut up earlier into the bacon grease. You're going to cook them until they are crispy like this. And then you're going to use the same method you did for the bacon to drain the sausage. You're now going to cut up a medium-sized onion and a half of green pepper. Place this in the bacon and sausage grease and let it saute. You're now going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. As everything is sauteing, these are the ingredients that I am using to season my shrimp. I used about 25 to 30 shrimp, extra large shrimp. Now that my shrimp is seasoned, we're going to place it in the pan with the peppers, onions, and minced garlic. After letting it cook for about 2 minutes, then you're going to stir the mixture all together. You're going to continue to keep cooking everything until you see your shrimp start to turn this color. Then you're going to add your sausage into your shrimp, peppers, onions, and garlic mixture. Then add 1 cup of chicken broth. You're going to let this simmer and you're going to let this cook until the sauce gets thick. Now you have your shrimp sauce. This is how it's supposed to look now that the sauce has thickened up. And now it's time to make your grits. So you're going to put 6 cups of chicken broth into a pot and bring it to a boil. Now you're going to add 2.5 cups of grits. You're now going to mix everything and then you're going to place the lid on and you're going to let this cook anywhere from about 5 to 8 minutes. Then you're going to stir it once again. So after the 8 minutes, this is what your grits should look like. We're not finished yet. You're now going to add in a cup of heavy cream. After the heavy cream, you do need to add more chicken broth. I added 1 cup. You may need to add more or less, depending on how thick or how loose you would like your grits. You're now going to stir everything, mix it all together well to your liking, and then you're going to add 1 stick of butter. That is how you make shrimp and grits. I also want you to keep in mind that this recipe I made for about 4 to 5 people. So if you're making it for a less crowd, You may have to split your ingredients in half. If you're making it for more, you may have to double. But I did this for brunch, so I did it for about 4 to 5 people. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will be uploading more videos weekly, so don't forget to subscribe.